Hi guys, the Sizze team is here. In this video, you'll learn how to set up constraints in Figma to properly convert designs into code. Constraints tell Figma how layers should respond when you resize your frames. This helps you to control how designs look across different screen sizes and devices. As you can see on the screen, we have components ready for customization. We drag the blocks into the frame and align them to the center of the frame. We move the components to the frame, and you can see that these components are not flexible, which means that their constraints are not configured. Now we select the component one by one, click on the right and left edges in the constraints, which will ensure the elements on the frame adapt when the screen size changes. You can see that there are elements inside the blocks. The constraints of these elements need to be configured separately. We do the same actions with the rest of the components. Now you can see how the component adapts to the frame size when stretched. Get the layout code, select the Sizze plugin, wait while the plugin covers everything to React Native code, and finally copy the result. On this website, we create a new snack, replace the template code with a copied form from the plugin, and double-click at the dependency at the bottom of the page. Now we can check how the code works in the browser window. Everything works great, which means that our code is ready to download. Thank you all for watching this video. Bye!